Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. If you are new to my channel, hello. My name is Caitlin. How are you? You should definitely subscribe and hit that bell notification so you will not miss my new uploads. And if this is your first time seeing this beautiful chocolate face, do not forget to follow me on my social media accounts to be listed up above just for you. And I also keep updated links on what's going on in the Black Lives Matter movement in the description box below. So if you want to go check those out, please do so. Go educate yourselves and just be a good person. All 2020. Now, this hair, she's ready to be deep conditioned. So let's go. Okay, so if you read the title, you already know what's about to go down. Like, I'm about to try this new deep conditioner by Mielle. And this is their Babassu and Mint deep conditioner. I got it when they had that $5 sale a long time ago days. And yeah, so I'm just trying it out. So let's just see how this goes. And I am starting on freshly washed hair. So this is the consistency of the deep conditioner. Also, I expected it to be thicker because like that's what Mielle is known for me at least. But I did like the smell, so it was okay. It was a bit strong though, but I kind of liked it. So yeah, I'm just going to massage that into my hair from ends to roots. And my curls, they were kind of popping. I ain't gonna flex. They were kind of popping when I put the deep conditioner on. So yeah, let's just see how this goes. I'm just gonna twist my hair up, and you lovely, you can listen to this non-copyrighted music while I do my hair. Period, sis.
Yeah. I was finna write a song, but how I been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. And staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm.
Okay, so this is my hair fully coated in the deep conditioner, twist looking chunky, just beautiful as always. And yeah, I'm just gonna put a plastic bag on my head and I'm gonna let this sit for I think I let it sit for like 30 minutes. I didn't get it under the dryer. Ooh, bite, there's stuff under my fingers, I forgot. Don't y'all hate that? But yeah, I didn't sit at the dryer. I just walked around my house with the cap on, and yeah, that's all I did. Okay, so I am back and deep conditioner has set, and this is how my hair is looking so far. I mean, like, I wanted y'all to get a better close. I wanted y'all to get a closer look. So that's why I'm taking down my twist. I just want y'all to see how how my hair looked. Like, it felt so soft. I don't know if you can tell by the video. Well, of course you can't, because that's impossible. But it felt so soft on my hair. Feels really good. I just hope it feels like this when it rinses out, because that's what be happening. My hair, it don't rinse out the same as it is when it's on. Because always saying these deep-condition be tricking me, but baby, this feels very good. So yeah, after I filmed a TikTok, you know, got to get those in. I rinsed the product out of my hair, and this is me, freshly washed out deep conditioner. And yeah, so I didn't do a voiceover for the rest of this video. So yeah, that's all I got to say. I'll let real time Kaylin take it from here. It's really feeling different. Okay, so I'm not gonna do a voiceover on this part because I don't feel like it. It really doesn't feel any different. Like, this is the problem I'm having with all my deep conditioners. Goes on great. When I leave it on, it's great. It feels great before I rinse it out. Then I rinse it out and it's really lackluster. And I don't know if it's my hair, because, you know, I did ghetto color my hair, but I need something to work for me, Terry. I need something. Because even when I'm filling up here, where it's like the virgin part of my hair, it doesn't feel soft. Or as soft as I would have liked it. I did wash with their rice water clay mask, so I don't know if that did something to it. You know, rice water is like protein. Shiny. So yeah, I'm just gonna style my hair. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you already know what to do. Comment, like, and of course subscribe. And yeah, tell me, have you used this product? Like, what was your experience with it? I want to know. Put them in the comment section below. And don't forget, if you want to see more of my beautiful chocolate face, follow me on my social media accounts listed up above just for you. So yeah. And if you want to get insight on the Black Lives Matter movement, I always have the links in the description box below. Click it, learn, and yeah. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.